How to remove password from a PDF file. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can remove password from a PDF file. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So in order to remove your password from a PDF file, you can use the Google Drive. So for that, open up Google Chrome in your device, head towards this Google Apps icon. From here, go to your Drive. And make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Now once you have opened up Drive in your device, you have to upload your PDF file inside your Drive. For that, click on the Add New button at the top left corner. From here, click on File Upload. Now from your device, select your PDF file that is locked. So here it is, click on it, and here click on Open. And wait until the file gets uploaded to your Drive. Once the upload is complete, refresh your Drive and here you have your PDF file. Now what you have to do is right click on your PDF file, and from here you have to go with Open With, and here click on Preview. Now you'll be prompted to enter the password. So type in the password of your locked PDF file. Press enter in your keyboard. Now once you have typed your password and unlocked your PDF file, now navigate to this print icon at the top right corner. Again, enter your password. Again, head towards this print icon at the top right corner. Once you're here, click on this drop down and click on Save as PDF, and you can select all of the pieces. And once you're done with that, click on Save. After that, again, you have to select the location where you want to save your unlocked PDF file. Again, I will just save it in my desktop. You can rename your file. Here, I will just type in unlocked PDF. Once done, click on Save. Now your PDF file is saved. You can close this, go back to your location. Here I have the PDF file. Now you can open this PDF file as many times you can without having to enter any password. So in this way you can remove password from locked PDF file. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.